So this customer right here is in need of a pool liner and some massive staining going on that we're going to be taking care of within about a week to 2 weeks maximum. Just so you know, well, let me just show you the trees around it here. If you see all those trees, so this one, as you can see, hopefully it's showing up there really good, it is completely covered in stains. Now this actually looks good for 1 week. The last several weeks, or actually months, you couldn't really see the bottom. It's usually a mess, so I'm gonna do what I can do to clean this out here. Of course, I don't have my little pad down. I usually always will put that down first, but so what I like to do at pools when I'm servicing them is I like to get the skimmers first, and once these are cleaned out, then I will get to actually cleaning. Now this customer just had his cleaner fixed, and that's it right there. So doesn't look like they put new tires on it, but maybe I just didn't see it clearly. But I told him he needed a full overhaul of it, and it's been several years. If it's something small, I'll usually repair it, but this, you know, needed like a gearbox, it needed a whole bunch of bearings, it needed a lot more than I was willing to mess with. But I have done repairs on it in the past, and but yeah, so let's get this vacuum going here. And I have a new bag for this too, so let's see here. Let's get this one off. I don't even think I dumped that one out last time, so let's take that off. And then got a new standard bag. And I go through maybe one of these a season if I'm doing some, well, there's been times where it's been 2 times, but if I'm doing a lot of vacuuming, you know, I could possibly go through 2, because what will happen is there'll be little tiny holes that'll get into them, and at the end, and then once that happens, sand and stuff like that will actually come through. Okay. Get this up a little bit. All right. So back to the staining of this pool. So what I like to do is I do stain treatments in the fall and winter time. I will do it in the early spring if the water is still cool. And this is the reason. When you put a stain treatment in, especially the kind that I use, which is United Chemical stain treatment, when you put that product in, you're not supposed to have an oxidizer for at least 3 weeks. And, you know, you could even really say a month. So, you know, if you're not supposed to have an oxidizer for that long, then what will happen is that the stain treatment will lift up the actual stains. Okay, they'll be kind of trapped in solution. When you put the oxidizer within the 3-week period, what will happen is the remainder of the stains that are actually the metals or the organic material will actually come out of solution, and then you're back to stain problem again. So I usually tell most of my customers, you know, I cannot guarantee them any success when the water is, you know, maybe say in the 80s. And you know, when you put that stain treatment in, you do lose the free chlorine usually zeroes out. So, but yeah, this one's really, really bad, and I've been waiting for the leaves to stop falling on purpose. I did that. So, but yeah, so we'll get this vacuumed up, and I think I did mention in the beginning of the video that this customer needs a new liner. This is well over 10 years old, and it gets a lot of sun, you know, during the daytime. So, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this vacuuming, and then I'll be back. I want to make sure that this is working correctly before I leave. Looks like the backup valve's on, or fixing to stop. Oh, okay, it's getting some air out of it right now. There it comes, the air. And gonna see if you notice it going in one direction, you want to adjust the jets on the back of it. Here it's turning pretty much sharp left. Let's see if I can see that jet. Doesn't really appear to be working really good, or maybe it was just because of the air that was in it. But we will see here. I really don't want to leave it until it's working properly, because this pool gets hammered. I mean, leaves and stuff will just be in the pool. So, all right. Yeah, so okay, well, I'm going to watch this. I still see it turning to the left some, so I'm going to go ahead and change it, the jet, just a little bit, a couple adjustments, and then I should be done with this account. So yeah, if you like videos like this, I pretty much show my day-to-day pools and cleaning them and whatnot. If you like videos like that, please subscribe to the channel. You know, any questions that I ever get asked, I'll answer, and I'll see you in the next video.